Jaina, 2 caves and 125 temples here. Chalukya architecture, first stage Aihole, second stage Badami, and final stage of Chalukya architecture Pattadakallu. Aihole 6th century, Badami 7th century, Pattakal 8th century. Pattakal there is a UNESCO site. विश्व परंपरा स्मारक ऐहळे बादामी नेशनल मोन्यूमेंट पटलकल यूनेस्को साइट विश्व परंपरा स्मारक इन ऑल ओवर इंडिया टोटली 42 वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट्स कर्नाटक 3 places one is Hampi second one Pattalkal third one Belur Halbid and Somnathpura that is UNESCO sites ऐहळे art and architecture starting a learning stage ऐहळे primary Badami architecture more improved Badami like a high school Pattalkal College, Belur Halbid and Somnath like a university architecture development Karnataka. Aihole Pattalkallo freestanding temples. Badami single rock. Badami monolithic stone. Ekashila. Badami also 4 caves. First one dedicated to Shiva. Second, third Vishnu. Last one Jain. Badami also 4 caves. Aihole first, second Badami and the third Pattalkallo. Aihole Pattalkallo freestanding temples. Freestanding temples also 2 type temples. One is a Sandhara temple, another one a Niradhara temple. Sandhara, you worship take around the Arun Center Parikrama, Pradakshana Pada, that is Sandhara, without pressure, without pressure, that is Niradhara temples. And Aihole, previous name is Aryapura. Pattalkal, Kisuvalal. Badami, previous name is Vatapi or Vatapi Pura. Aryapura. Arya means Aryan people, scholars or Panditaru. Pura it means a city. Aryapura means city of scholars, city of wise persons. From Aryapura to Aihole, one interesting legendary story. Pauranikata. Indian mythology, 3 main gods. Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. Brahma, creator. Brahma is creator. Vishnu is protector. Shiva is destructor or destroyer. G-O-D God. God meaning. G for generator. O for operator. D for destroyer. Brahma and Vishnu and Shiva. Lord Vishnu totally 10 incarnation. Dasha avatar. First one the fish Matsya, second one the tortoise Kuruma, third one white boar Varaha, fourth one Narasimha, fifth one Vamana Trivikramana avatar, sixth one Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. Lord Vishnu totally 10 incarnation. Parashurama is the 6th incarnation Lord Vishnu. Parashurama killed all warriors, all Kshatriya peoples are the 21 times. After Parashurama came to this place, 1 kilometer of river is there, Malaprabha. After washing the axe, whole river became a red color. That time, local lady saw the river, she said that, Ayyo Nanna Hale. Ayyo means surprise. Hale means river. Ayyo Hale, Ayya Hale, finally, Ayyo Hale. One interesting legendary story and Pauranikata. 125 temples, all temples now family names, local names. 200 years back, local peoples, sometime living inside the temple. All temples now family names. Example, one temple name, Lard Khan temple. Lard Khan, one Musulman name, Musulman family inside the temple, local name Lard Khan. But originally dedicated to Shiva temple. Shivlinga Nandi is there, after lived here, Musulman family stayed here. Now family name Lard Khan temple. Next one, Gaudaragudi. Gauda means mayor of the village, leader, Sarpanch Patil. Local name Gaudaragudi. Next one, Badigara. Badigara means carpenter, Sutara. Carpenter family inside temple, local name Badigara. Next one outside Huchimalli temple, Huchimalli. Her name Mallama, Madhuman. Local name Madhuman temple of Huchimalli. All temples now family names, local names. This temple name Durg temple. Durg means fort. Durga means goddess Parvati, but Durg means fort. Every temple also 3 parts. First one, face of fort. This is called Mukhamantapa. First one Mukhamantapa. Second part, this is called Sabhamantapa. Mukhamantapa, Sabhamantapa. Last one Garbhagraha, Sanctum Sanctorum. But now inside nothing, no idol, no statue. Some historians came, this is Vishnu temple. Some historians Shiva temple. Some historians Aditya temple. Aditya, in Sanskrit word, sun god temple, Surya Devalaya. Historians different opinion, but now inside nothing. This temple built 6th century. Now 21st century, 1400 years back. But now inside nothing here. Mukhamantapa, Garbhagraha, Parikrama, and Garbhagraha is there, but inside nothing here. Here also Garuda is there. Garuda or eagle, vehicle Lord Vishnu. Now Indonesia airline symbol. This is called Garuda Airlines. And both sides beautiful door frame, door designs. Here 5 parts. Pancha Shakagalu. Shakagalu means 5 branches. First one, this is called snake. Naga Shaka. First one snake. Second one leaves. Lata Shaka. Third one pillar or column. Fourth one human beings. Female god Nara Shaka. Last one creeper Patra Shaka. Naga, Lata, Kamba, Nara, Patra. Both are same. Beautiful door frame, door designs. One side Ganga, that side Yamuna Devi. Ganga standing on crocodile, Yamuna standing on tortoise. Ganga and Yamuna, Indian holy rivers. And both sides also happy couples. Happy couples also two type couples. One is a Mithuna couples, another one Maithuna couples. Mithuna only for kissing, Mautuna, bowed movement, some Kama Sutra, some statue is there. Next one, seven-headed cobra. 3 heads, 5 heads, 7 heads. This is 7 heads. Left side 3 heads, right side 3 heads. Second missing of snake body, of human body. One hand garland, another hand flower flood. This is also Nagaraj or Adishesh. Next one, this is called first incarnation Lord Vishnu. This is called a Matsya Avatar. 60 fishes around the wheel. Matsya Avatar. Outside lotus flower is there. Here one drunken couples. 1400 years back. Male and female equivalent to Surapana. Somarasa. The opposite side. Drunken lady. Already drunk here. Too much. Over drink. Unconscious here. Both are helpers are there. Bottle and glass is there. After a heavy drink, vomiting here. Dog is eating the dirty thing. This is a drunken lady and drunken couples. Pana Matu Dampatigal. Surapana couples. And both sides look like sofa sets. Sitting bench, Kakshasanagal. And also here games, local games. Aluguli Mane, Palangari Mane, Chokabara. These are games. Both are look like sofa sets. Sitting bench, Kakshasanagal. And here also on Parikrama. Pradakshana Pata here. All of you come here. Come this side.